What's up, Julian Game fans? Today we're going to be playing today I'm going to be showing you how to install Google Drive. So, shout out to Ghostine. I don't know why. I was just watching her stream. I'll put a link for her channel in the description. Also, please subscribe. I only have 18 subscribers. They have like over 100. So, yeah, please subscribe to them too. So, yeah, we're just watching her stream and then, we just started interacting with each other, and I started being kind to her, and she was like them, and yeah, and then I said I like Minecraft too, and you die from a zombie, stuff like that. I started saying that I'd shout out her next video. So here you go, Ghostine. Just so you know, Ghostine, the channel. I want to let you know the stream I was watching. Somewhat, it automatically turned off comments, and I couldn't comment until when one of your friends was doing a handstand. It immediately shut down the stream, and it said video unavailable. I got that error message. So just so you know, that did happen. So yeah, let's stop wasting any of your guys' time and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do, wait, okay, sorry guys, I'm a bit sick. So you're just going to have to right click on Google Drive. Sorry, my PC's kind of slow. I literally got this 20 days ago when I got this much app. You're just going to right click on that. Okay, I'm just going to cut the video out. Okay, never mind. So then you're just gonna click on wait, let me just click on delete. So you're gonna left click on Google Chrome. PC is very slow. So double left click on Google Chrome, and that will open. And after that, just click on your account, any account. Normally, it would only be one account, but anyways, so you're just gonna search up drive.google.com and enter that in. If you don't have Chrome yet. Oh, also just so you know, video also shows you how to do this for Microsoft Edge. So any browser works fine, just so you know. So then you're just going to click the three dots on the top right corner. Then click on Cast, Save, and Share. Then click on, for Microsoft Edge, you just apps. So click on Cast, Save, and Share for Chrome, or apps for apps for Microsoft Edge, and then go to install Page as app or install for Microsoft Edge, I believe, and something should pop up. Click on install. Then, if you just exit out, you'll see Google Drive is right there. It might take a while to load the icon, but yeah, for you, hopefully your PC is fast. See, it's the actual Google Drive. If it asks you anything to put it into your taskbar, say no, so that way you can get this beautiful thing right there. And yeah, so just in case you don't want to. So yeah, that's how to get Google Drive on Chrome. And yeah. Bye guys.